Toys M65 jacket version of John Rambo. It's got the slip cover on. Right, I'll give you a quick little look at it. So I'm going to actually unbox this today for the first time. You've got to love the old holographic thing, you can't see shit with it, but it's really nice. Yeah, I've had this figure. Had this figure about 5 years, I'd say, and I bought it because I've been after it ever since I started collecting. To be honest. Let's look at the box. Same artwork on most of the boxes. Box is in lovely condition. It's just been in storage, and yeah, basically, it's, just want to make this video because I've always complained that people buy figures and then they don't open them. They wait for them to go up in value, then resell them, all that good shit. And I've always slated people for doing that, and I've turned into one of those people. This is one figure. This is my favourite film, remember, right? And I bought it, and I've never unboxed it. I mean, I've taken it out to actually look at it, but I've never untied the figure, I've never displayed it, because it goes to stand for a lot of reasons. Financially, I'm not that well off, and I was thinking of reselling it, and every time I go to unbox it, it's never the right time, and there never will be a right time. So I think, what is the fucking point? Do you know what I mean? I either resell it or enjoy the fucking thing. There's other things as well. I've always wanted to get the head sculpt repainted because it is a good head sculpt, very good. But you can see that all the original tyres are in place. I could be lying, I could have untied it, but you can tell they're very tightly wound. It'd be hard to retile that. So anyway, let's talk about selling it, getting some money for it. And even now, I could probably get about 3 times what I paid for it. Paid about 100 for it, and these go for anywhere between, I actually saw one sell for about 150 not that long ago. But some people sell them for crazy prices. And there's a lot of things I'm not, in love with. I mean, the body is shit. The head sculpt could do with a repaint, especially the eye area. But you know what? It's probably going to fall out now. I'm not going to be fucking precious with it anymore. I'm just going to take the fuck out of the box. There goes the knife. There goes the sheath. I'm going to fucking unbox this thing, and I'm going to fucking enjoy it. So there's a few reasons why I haven't taken it out of the box and displayed it. So money being one thing. I am a smoker, and that devaluates figures. To be honest, I don't give a fuck anymore. If you buy any of my figures and they smell of smoke, get the fucking Febreze out and spray the fucker down, because they're displayed behind cabinets most of the time, and I'm gonna have fucking nicotine stains on them, so they might be a bit whiffy. But if you're one of these collectors that wants everything pristine and never been removed from the box, then you ain't gonna get it off me. And I ain't selling this figure. I've decided I'm going to enjoy what I have got, and what I don't need is going to be sold. What I don't need, what I haven't got room for, display it, whatever, it's going to go. And I'm going to keep things like this that mean something to me. It means something. I've loved this film since seeing it when I was about, I don't know, come out on VHS I think around about 82, 84. First video we ever had. Had it on rental for about a week. One of those deals, it was a bit snide. The guy leased out the video players because we were poor and they were expensive. And come out of the box, you bitch. Liberation! I have freed John J. Rambo from his prison cell. Fucking hell. I'm actually really excited. You don't know. Patience like 4 or 5 years. I mean, it's about 4 years, I'm pretty sure. Maybe more. The stand won't come out of the box. Why is that? Yeah, so I watched the video over and over. Stayed up. Crept downstairs in the middle of the night. Watched the video. Blown away. And today it's still my favourite video. Got it on video, got it on DVD. Haven't upgraded to Blu-ray yet. I've got a Blu-ray player. So there we go. So fucking get in there. Don't fuck with me. Sorry for all this swearing, but I can't express myself in any other way. Fucking John J. Rambo. Video's probably going to run out in a minute. I ain't got a lot of space left on the memory card, that's why I'm sort of anxious, excited. Fucking jeans, man. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on there? Look at that. Can you see what I can see? That ain't right. It's like been bleached. They were a different colour. It's got a big dirty fucking... Oh well, I can deal with that. I'm going to customise this anyway, so I can lighten up where... I mean, that side is a little bit of it on there. You can see like a little bit of the original colour, but that side, what the fuck? That dirty big blue stripe. I've got to laugh because, as I say, it's been in the box for so long and it's not been bleached by light. That's factory defect there. Oh my god, hysterical. So I'm not bothered about it. It's going to get dirtied up. I'm going to I can sort that out with a bit of white paint or something. That's the thing. You wait and you wait and you wait, and things are never as good when you get them. And that goes for a lot of things in life. Oh dear. Come on, what is going on here? Why isn't that sitting right? You know, it is a really impressive sculpt though, even with the big doe eyes. You know, it's got like chalky dust on the rubber. It's kind of like a bit, what's the word, decadent or something, to have something like this and just to treat it like shit. You know, some people treat their stuff with kit gloves and fucking hell, man. I've wanted this, I say, since I started collecting, I've wanted this figure and I got it, I say, and yeah, it was like the holy grail.